and I'm Sylvia, and today I'm going to present my assessment to. Our group's problem space is locally based families maintaining healthy and hygiene etiquette when visit government returns museums. And I have two ideas. One is a robot that provides real-time disinfection of public facilities, and the other one is an apparatus that can provide real-time data in the museum, including checking the number of people in the museum and the data of the disinfection of facilities in museum. For my first idea, the main purpose is to reduce and prevent people from being decorated invaded by the polluted public facilities in the museum. The robot can disinfect public facilities in the museum in real time that can be easily touched and used by people. It can memorize the layout of the museum and the location of each facility. Then it will sterilize them one by one. As we can see the picture, and there are a screen in the top of the robot, and there are a disinfection nozzle in the middle. It will spray a mix of liquids to disinfect the object, and there are a large water tank in the middle of the stomach, which is a container for disinfectant, and a place to add disinfectant in the bed, and a battery that can be recharged, and a cooling mouth in the bottom. The robot is mainly to reduce the inadequate transmission of public facilities to visitors, such as children who like to move and touch everywhere. However, looking about the sanitation of the facilities can also reduce a lot of worries for parents. For my other design idea, visitors or users can scan the QR code for the facility and enter the apparatus to quickly get the disinfection situations in real time, so that user can clearly know about the information and decide whether to use these facilities. And there are a check-in page in the front, and the homepage of the apparatus is the representation and visit check-in page, and the other one is the user can view the current situation in the museum to choose whether to visit now or later. That they can see the number of people in the museum. And the art page is the disinfection page, will display the layout of each floor of the museum so as to show the location and disinfection stats for each facility. And there are an icon with a chart or a cross is displayed at the location of the facilities. The chart means it is ready to use, and a cause means someone is using or unsterilized. And checking on one of the check or cause icons will display the detailed information for the user. And this museum apparatus allows parents to quickly book and check in advance. Check the real-time disinfection situation of public facilities in the museum in the apparatus, and find place where the children can be trusted to play. And both designs give parents more confidence in bringing their children out of the museum during an epidemic. And this is the float of the apparatus. And first is the homepage for the museum, and there's a check-in and reservations page. And if you choose the check-in, and you get the page for your information, and other is the reservation information. All of them almost same. And the next page will get into two choice too. And one is a situation in the museum. It will get the current number of people in the museum. And the other one is the disinfection situation, show which of the facilities are ready to use and which one is cannot be used. And for the user profile, and Katie is a 28 full-time mother, and she's lived in Senate, and she likes to take her children out to play, and she always make plans in evidence. She wants her children to play in safe and healthy place in this spirit in this time, and she doesn't like to noisy place. And this is my prioritize for the user. Create the museum apparatus and choose the reservations and create the information, and then you will get the situation of the museum, and there are 103 people in the museum, and get the information from for the facilities available to use, and they are already sterilized for 2 minutes, and the user can get the information like that. Yeah, thank you.